Imagine a world where every customer interaction is a seamless continuation of the last, regardless of the platform. But what does omnichannel really mean, and why is it crucial for your business? It's about providing a consistent, personalized service, whether in-store, online, or on the go. Customers today expect to pick up where they left off, fluidly moving between channels without friction. The key lies in data synchronization and technology that bridges the gap between each touchpoint. Omnichannel isn't just a buzzword, it's a commitment to customer satisfaction that drives loyalty. By ensuring no customer feels lost or frustrated, we foster a positive brand perception. Personalized service is not a luxury. It's an expectation that can set your brand apart. The journey to omnichannel excellence is paved with challenges, but the rewards are substantial. Begin by evaluating your current customer experience, identifying gaps, and planning integration. Embrace the omnichannel approach and watch your business thrive through enhanced customer experiences.